Stop struggling with messy, static HTML tables that break your design. Today, we are building a highly functional and user-friendly data table that looks as good as it functions. To follow along, you will need the powerhouse, which is ElementsKit Pro version. This is a premium feature designed for pros who need total control over complex data. Efficiency is king. ElementsKit gives you a massive library of readymade templates. Just browse and then click Insert, and you have a pixel-perfect layout ready for your content. It's the ultimate shortcut for tight deadlines. Let's dive into the Content tab. ElementsKit makes it easy to go beyond just text. You can seamlessly add images for profiles or products, input names, professional positions, and even embed social links directly into your cells. So you can change the headlines of your table and the cell width. If you want to add a URL, you can also add it by clicking yes. Then we have the type and then position, which is before, after. So I'm keeping it in the before. Then we have button. If we click, then we will get a button here. And after that, we have the alignment. It's left, center, and right, but I'm keeping it in the center. Well, then all the settings we saw here are available in these sections. See? So you can change the title from here. And finally, you can also add another items if you want. If you click, then you will get another item here. So you can edit it like that. Then we have options called table body. Here we can see that there are the bodies and the details of the products. You can change them, the ratio and the content. Then we have table button. In the table button, you can see that if you want to add any buttons, you just have to click the add item option and then you will get. Then in the style tab, we have granular control. Adjust your header padding for breathing room, set alerting rows, colors, and you can use custom typography to match your brand's DNA. Then we have table content, table heading. See, all the settings are here. So you just have to change the border radius, padding, and margin if you want. Then we have table body, table heading cell button, table body cell button, and finally the table button. So you can change the text colors, the background color, and the box shadow also. So here the border type is default and keeping it the same, and then we have border radius also. And finally we can see that here's an option which is called alignment. It is in the right. You can keep it in the center, left. So yeah, it's in the right. Don't forget the advanced tab. If you want to create more unique and engaging content, then you can use the advanced tab. So if you want total creative freedom, just build one from scratch. For this, just go to the widget tab and then search for table with the eKit badge and just drag and drop. See, you have this. From here, you can define the columns, set the alignment and layer in your advanced styling. Tables are difficult on mobile, but this widget is built for it. One click and you can check in the responsive viewer and you will see the data stays aligned and readable on every device. See how perfect it looks with ElementsKit. So yeah, that was it. Efficient, aesthetic, and powerful. That is how you handle data in 2026. Hit the link in the description to grab ElementsKit Pro and start building smarter.